Hi everyone, here we've got Samsung Galaxy A10s, and let me share with you how to clear credentials on this device. So first of all, we have to enter the settings. Let's tap on it, and now let's scroll down to the biometrics and security. Here we have to scroll down again and tap on other security settings, and here we've got the whole credential storage section, and at the very bottom we've got clear credentials, so just tap on it. Your device will ask you if you really want to remove all the content, so just confirm it with OK, and we've got the information that the credential storage has been erased successfully. What's more, this option is inactive. So actually this is it. This is how to clear credentials in your Samsung Galaxy A10s. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.